Hello guys, as you can see, I'm in the members area of Send2Bank and it's a brand new software launched by David Kirby. Now you are thinking that what this software and how this software works. So guys, it's basically this is a autoresponder software and you can send unlimited emails to your subscribers with the help of this software, and you can also collect unlimited emails from your leads guys. So if you are interested in this software or want to know more about this, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I'm also giving my 4 premium bonuses to for free of cost guys, and these all 4 premium bonuses are also going to help you in make money online. So first I want to show you my bonuses, then we come back to the members area of Send2Bank and know how this software works and what kind of features you are getting with this software guys, and how this software helps you to send emails to your subscribers and make more money. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you bring through here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of Send2Bank. And when you scroll down guys, here you can see that this is the world's most affiliate friendly email autoresponder with limitless functionality and huge profit potential at an unbeatable one-time price. So guys, when you scroll down more, here you can see the clock. So guys, I want to tell you one thing, that if you are going to buy this software with my link which is in the description, then buy as fast as you can, because as I told you that today I'm giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost. So when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear guys, and you will get the remaining 2 bonuses. So guys, when you scroll down more, here you can see the image of Send2Bank and the description guys, so you can read this to your own guys. And when you scroll down more guys, here you can see the prices and upsells, but we'll talk later about the prices guys, because I want to show you some key benefit of this software guys, and these are the key benefits of this Send2Bank guys, and I'm going to explain you these all key benefits to you guys one by one. So the first key benefit of Send2Bank software is guys, which is you can send as many emails as you like. You will never pay another dime. So guys, you do as I told you that you can send unlimited emails to your subscribers with this software, and you do not have to pay for any. If you are selling lots of emails to your subscriber, you do not have to pay the more money to send more emails guys. And the another second key benefit is guys, which is you can build your list as big as you like. You will never pay another dime. So guys, as I also told you that you can collect unlimited emails with the help of this software, and you do not have to pay more money for that guys. And the third key benefit is guys, which is you can send as many affiliate links as you like. Your account will never get shut down. So guys, you can also send unlimited links to your affiliates, and your account do not going to be shut down guys. And the another key benefit is, which is you can host as many sign up forms and landing pages as you like. You will never pay extra. So guys, with the help of this software, you can also make lot of sign up forms, and also you can make unlimited landing pages guys. And the another one is guys, which is you only need to make one affiliate sale to cover your cost of investing today. So guys, I don't know what the front end price of this software, but the vendor of this software is saying that if you if you if you get only one sale of this software, then your investment is covered. Okay guys, and the last option is, which is 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software is not working for you or you want your money back, then you can also refund this software and get your money back within 30 days guys. So these all are the key benefits of this software send to bank guys. So now it's time to know about my bonuses guys. So my first bonus is guys, which is $100 per day with free traffic, and its value is guys $747. So guys, with this my bonus, you are going to learn how you can make your first 100 per day dollar with free traffic guys. And the second bonus is guys, which is how to build a buyers list, and its value is guys $497. So guys, you know that this software is going to help you to send unlimited emails to your subscribers, and you can also collect unlimited emails from your leads. But with this bonus, you are going to learn how you can build your buyers list and make more money guys with your list. And the third bonus is guys, which is the 7 deadly signs of email marketing, and its value is guys $697. So guys, with this bonus, you are going to learn how you can create attractive eye-catching emails and what kind of headlines you have to write in your emails. So the another bonus is guys, which is free traffic frenzy, and its value is guys $397. And with this bonus, you are going to learn how you can drive free traffic to your offers guys, and how you can make more money with your affiliate links, and how you can sell more product to your subscribers guys. So the another bonus is guys, which is a special bonus, and this bonus was provided you by the vendors, and its value is guys, which is $8,897. So guys, I'm also going to show you the vendors bonuses, and here are the vendors bonuses guys. The first bonus is our secret 1K a day method live training, and the second bonus is guys, which is video training, and the third bonus is guys, which is agency license, and the fourth bonus is guys 24/7 premium support, and the fifth bonus is guys $100 plus a day case study. So guys, these 5 bonuses and also my 4 premium bonuses, these all 9 bonuses you are getting for free only today guys. So if you are going to buy this software, then buy as fast as you can, because as I told you, if this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear guys, and you will get the remains 2. And now talk about the price of this software guys. So the front end price of this send to bank is guys, which is $14.93, and the OTO one, which is send to bank unlimited, its price is guys $37, and down sale is $27. And OTO 2, which is send to bank automation, its price is $37 and down sale is $27 guys. And OTO 3, which is send to bank done for you, its price is $197 and down sale is $97 guys. And OTO 4, which is send to bank done for you campaign, its value is guys $47 and down sale is $27. And OTO 5, which is send to bank traffic, its value is guys $197 and down sale is $77. And the last is guys and the another OTO 6, which is send to bank white label, its price is guys $997 and down sale is $497 guys. And the another OTO is guys, which is send to bank reseller, its price is guys $47 and down sale is $27. And OTO 8, which is send to bank traffic saver pack, the Warrior Plus Saver membership, and its price is guys $27 and down sale is $17. And the last OTO 9, which is send to bank, it's gold mine 1K club, and its price is $37 guys, and the down sale is $17. So guys, this is the whole thing about this software, and also about my premium bonuses as I told you. So now it's time to know how you can buy this software, guys. So when you click the link which is in the description, and when you come here on my bonus page, you can see here are lots of these yellow buttons, and when you click one of these yellow buttons, guys, you bring through here on the sales page of this software. And one more thing, guys, that if you are going to buy this software with my link, then you are also getting $4 discount, guys. And when you click claim $4 discount, $4 discount now, guys, then you have to pay the uh, amount of this software, and the software is yours, guys. So guys, this that's the whole process how you can buy this software, guys. And now it's time to know how you can claim these all bonuses, guys. So in the members area, you will get the vendors bonuses, but for my bonuses you have to come to your Warrior Plus account and come to your purchase history, guys, and search for send to bank. When you search on send to bank, guys, the interface looks like that, and there is a blue button, guys, which is access affiliate bonus. So when you click this button, you can get access of my all premium bonuses for free of cost, guys. So now it's time to know about the software, and what kind of features you are getting in this software, guys. So for that, we have to go to the members area of this send to bank, guys, and here we are. So the first option is, guys, which is dashboard, and the second option is, guys, which is list. And in this option you are getting create list, view and manage, custom fields, and bulk update. And the another option is, guys, the receipts, and in this you are getting add receipt. And the another one is view and manage and import receipts. And the third option is, guys, which is campaigns, and in this you are getting create new, view and manage, schedules, split test. And the another is, guys, automation, and in this you are getting spin tags, segments, drifts and triggers. And the another one is, guys, which is forms and pages. In this you are getting web forms, pages slash emails. And the another option is, guys, templates, and in this you are getting builder 1, builder 2, CKE editor. And the another is, guys, view and manage. And the another option is, guys, which is statistics. In this you are getting campaigns and triggers. And the last option is, guys, which is tools, and in this you are getting image manager. So guys, this whole features you are getting in this software which is send to bank. So I think I told you everything about this software, guys, and also I told you about my premium bonuses that was I'm giving to you for free of cost, guys. So if you are interested in this software or going to buy this software, then don't forget to click the link which is in the description, guys, and also don't forget about my premium bonuses. And if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and comment down below that did you like this video or not. And also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, guys. And have a nice day, and click the link as fast as you can. Buy this software because it's a very good software for you guys. So thank you.